Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restore on the application of my calendar. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on my calendar. Here you can click on first stop. Then we will enter to storage. After that we will click on clear cache. We go down here to click on clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your